Why we spoke about the modules in the previous video? In the previous video we created our own module, but we have lots of modules which are already ready for using in Python. So they are already installed if you have already Python in your or installed Python in your computer. So we can use it, and we have lots of modules, but I would like to start with two modules. The first is import random. It means you are able with this import, with this module, to put some randomization in your Python code. So for example, the first thing can be something like this: generate a random float between 0 and 1. Okay, so I will store it in number, and you just use it random dot something, random dot, and you can see we have lots of options here, and one of them is random. It's maybe seems funny, random dot random, but it's like this. We will print, we can use it like f string, random number between 0 and 1, and put here the number variable. Okay, so I will run it, and you can see random number between 0 and 1, and it's this. I will run it again, and you can see the number is different all the time. Okay, completely different. Perfect. So you can use it in your code. Another one example is, for example, generate a random integer. Very important thing. So again, we can use it. I would name it like number 2, for example, and it's called random rand init, and you can store here some range, some interval. So from 1 to 10, for example. And again, we can print it. We can use it f string, random integer between 1 and 10. Again, I put here number 2. So we will run it. Random integer between 1 and 10, 6. Run it, 7. Run it, 5. Run it, 3. So we can put here, for example, 1 and 2. I will put it here, and the question is it include 1, and or is it the second or the 2 is included as well? So we can run it. You can see 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So both of them are included. Okay, so if I put it here, this the previous state. So from 1 to 10, it means it can generate number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as well. Okay, because 1 and 10 are included. I hope you understand. So we have lots of options here. I would like, for example, generate a random float in specific range, because this would generate a random float, that's true, but no in specific range. This is always between 0 and 1. Okay, so again, I would put here number 3. It's random, it's called uniform, and from 5 to 10. And again, print something like random float between 5 and 10, and put here number 3. Okay, so we can run it, and we will see what does it mean. Okay, and it's 7.9. okay, 9, 6.11, 9.11, 8.39, and so on and so on. So you can see we have lots of random options. We will use it with arrays in the future, but we don't know what array is, so we we need to be patient. But after that, you will see that the random has a big power in Python codes. So now we have some ordinary examples, ordinary functions from random, like random, rand init uniform, and we have lots of options there. But we don't have enough knowledge to be able to understand. So you think about this only like example.